Welcome to yet another edition of Friday Power. This is Mahesh Kadravan, your spreadsheet coach, welcoming you yet again. So it has been long time. I started again Friday Power last Monday. I started with Mastery Monday, so I am back again. And this time also we'll be starting with a new fundas, new agendas of Google Sheets magic, right? So today is a very important this thing, and it will be very useful for you, be it financial forecasting and everything, whatever is there, this thing, right? So let me start. If have you ever spent too much money manually adjusting values in Google Sheet to achieve a desired result? If yes, type yes in the comment box. Great. Great. Thank you so much. Now, if Google Sheet could give you instantly the perfect answer for a complex problem, for a complex calculation, say for example you're calculating some budget, would you want to learn how? I'm sure this question's answer will be always yes, right? Great. Then that means you are in the right place to have answer. Today I'm going to show you how to master a powerful Google Sheet feature, which is called as a gold sheet. This is available in Excel as well. I will be showing with you. So whether you are trying to hit a sales target or balance a budget or solve any problem where you know the result you want, but you don't know the exact inputs to be put. That means you know what kind of permutation combinations you have to put, but you don't know the exact answer how it will come. So gold seek is your secret weapon, and that will help you a lot. So let's dive in. I will show you how to do this. Okay, let's start it. So I'll just share my screen. Okay, so I think now you are able to see the screen. Great, thank you. Now, for example, if you see here, I will just zoom in. Yeah, great. So if you see here, the product quantity is there. Product quantity is product price, quantity sold. So product price is around 10, quantity sold is 71. The total revenue is simple multiplication, price into quantity sold. Now imagine a situation where you need to know my revenue has to be 1000. It is 700, 710. But what kind of permutation combination I should put to get to that 1000? Now you may think about something else. Like say for example, I will think 50. Okay, no, again I will think 35. So you're putting it, but you're not getting the right numbers to put into that column for product price and quantity sold. Right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Right. So this is how this thing. This is where your goal seek option will come. So how it will, I will just show you. The goal seek option will not be there in this formula. You have to first go to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons, because that is an external option which you need to have in Google Sheet. Okay. So when you put here goal seek, just this one. So I'm just using my Gmail account. Continue. Yes. Okay, great. So here it is showing you where you need to find. You will find a Google Sheet as a spreadsheet in extension. Okay, great. So you just close this, go to extension. Here you see Corsic. Oh, okay. It's a very simple formula function. Don't need to use rack your brains, and this is very useful for your calculation purpose, because whenever you're sitting in front of your boss, or you are sitting some to discuss the revenues, what could be the revenue ahead because of this turmoil going on in the market, what you can do. So this is how you can do the permutation. Now there are three important things: set cell to value, and by changing the cell. Set cell means what is the target value. That means what I want, I am just targeting this total revenue has to change to 1000 rupees. So I'm just putting this the cell reference goal save. Okay. To value, what value you want to put? So you have to put 1000. Okay. By changing cell, which cell you can either change product price, or either you can change quantity. Anything you can change. So I will show you this one. Oh, sorry. Now these options are there. This is okay. This is just to go more deeper. Just you press the button, solve. You just see what happens. The magic is there in this thing. See, it's changing, you see. So it is actually doing the permutation combination to give you the result. So it is nearing to that. Okay. Actually, in Excel, if you see, this much doesn't happen. Excel just gives you the uh, directly, because here it is actually internet. You're using the Google Sheet as the internet, right? So it takes a bit of time, and it's slowly showing to you this thing. Okay, see if you see. Goal tick is completed. See, actually it has to be 99.999.61. Then only you will get total revenue of 9999. Right? That is the problem of you get more decimal. This is very easy. Yes, in Google Sheet it will take little time because about your internet speed and everything, but it is super duper very useful for you when you sit in the front of a client or when you want to do a calculations. This will help you a lot because this is where the magic lies, right? Hope you're getting me what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I will just go to say, for example, mm, let make it an even number. So product price is 10, and here it is. Okay, now let's see what happens. So gold stick is C2 3000. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's see. Here it will show you a bit easier because here actually it's only 100 ka difference, but how to get to that 100, that's more important. See, it is using its own funda of putting the permutation combination. Actually here it is a bit slow, that is why you're able to see. In Excel is super duper fast. Okay, if you want to watch the video, you can just go and watch it in Monday Facebook Live. You will always get that. So what I'm trying to say is that the features which is available both in Excel and Google Sheet, you can do that. But the problem is that how you use it more efficiently, that's more important. Okay, so nobody can compare Google Sheet or Excel or Apple number. Everything is has its own positive and negative side. Sorry. So this is how, if you get 100.001 decimals will count a lot in this. So it will give you this thing. Now, so now we will take another example because this examples will not be right if you for think. So we will take another example. Say for example, total monthly sales. Okay, 1,000 rupees. So annual savings would be 12,000. Okay. Now you imagine you want to put 5,000. So obviously the answer will be 60,000, right? But what if I show it into your gold stick? Say, well, in this one, only I want 10 lakhs, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And now you see what happens. See, it is taking 4.8 seconds. That speed is totally different from those if you find in Excel. Okay, so that's a different thing. So this is how the goal stick options can be done. It will go on, it will go, you give the result. So whether you're projecting something, you want to do something else, this is annual savings, you need to have 83,300 to be more precise. Okay, monthly savings would be 83,000, and then only your annual savings will be 10 lakhs. That's what is all about. So you need to understand how you can use this goal stick to use. So if you're using more this thing, this will be better than useful. Okay, great. Now These are the two more applications of course you can use more interface. So I will give you an assignment. What you can do: create a table, savings, rate of interest, okay, and number of payments, monthly payment, like SIP or kind of thing, right? And now you create a calculation based on that, and you calculate what kind of future value will be there. So calculate future value, and future value, when you calculate, you have this formula of FV, comma, this one. See, rate, number of periods, payment, amounts, present value, and this thing. So this is actually the future value. When you calculate this future value, uh, you just click on the extension, go to the app, add-on, manage add-on, or get add-on, then you can do that. Now I'm just add-on because I will be removing the goal seek option. This I don't want. No, here from here you can remove that. So if you see here, you have the goal seek option, right? So here I don't want this one. This also I will remove. Okay, so this is how you can calculate. So this is the exercise I am giving to you. You just calculate and let me know how it went, and then we can do that. Okay, now important update. Update is this month we will be doing with elimination chamber challenge, that is spreadsheet chamber challenge, in which there will be only 4 people. I want only 4 members to be into that. I will be putting into a different Facebook group. Okay, in that group what will happen is that I will send a Zoom link. You 4 people will come into that room. You will be a 4 participant kind of thing. uh, we play a game. This is a gamification kind of thing. Okay, so every 2 minutes, with a random number, I will show in Excel how the random number goes, and one pot. So like if you are in 4 rooms kind of thing, so one room will open. So you're the one who will come forward, and another person will come forward, and then both of them will solve one particular problem. Okay, I will tell you everything, problem solutions, whatever the formulas you have to use in order to get to the answer. You'll get 5 minutes to solve the problem. In 5 minutes, if one person solves the problem, great. So he's gone to next thing. And the other person, if not solves the problem, he will be there. Okay, but here what happens is actually if he wins, he wins. Then the other people who are there in the room, they know I have no chance. Okay, but that's the possibility. But I will try to make it more easier, more gamification kind of thing. Let's see. But if that 2 participants are not done, so the third person will come up 2 minutes, 5 minutes, then the fourth participant. So all the 4 participants will come in again solve. So problem will be very different all the time, and it will be level up. So one problem might be easy, some might be very difficult, it might be very, very difficult. So it depends. And based on that, you will be able to solve your thing. This is because to level up your special skills. Okay, it might be Excel, it might be Google Sheet, anything it can be. So it will be very useful for you. Second thing, it makes you more interesting and curious to understand how this exactly works. Okay, so this is how everything is works. Thank you so much for watching today's Friday Power Hour. This is Mahesh, your spreadsheet course. Do join for the spreadsheet chamber challenge, which is happening on uh, May 28th. That is on Wednesday, and evening 7 o'clock. See you.